In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Twitter or X profile QR code on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to x.com and sign into your account. From there, go into your profile. From here, we want to go ahead and copy our profile. And then we need to go to a site that is a QR code generator. So a site I like to use is called qrcodegenerator.com, and then hit enter. You can check out other ones by doing a Google search, but this is one I like to use because it's free as well. Now I'm going to copy that code. Now paste that code in here, and you'll see a QR code being generated on the right hand side, and we can edit this code and make it look a bit different. We could change the colors and all that stuff as well, the shape and color. We can download this as a JPEG, we can print it, we can share it and to test it out, point your mobile device at it, and it's going to direct you to your profile or Twitter or X profile.